my name is Michelle. I've been living with diabetes since I was 9 years old. I'm 36 now. For me, the hardest thing about living with diabetes was never the pain of the injections. That's something you get used to. Calculating what I eat before each meal, not knowing if I'll have time at work to take a break for a snack, and not knowing when or where I'll experience a hypo episode. That's something I never got used to. A few months ago, things started to change. Let's just say I found a small friend that actually helps me reduce the stress and uncertainty in my life. I still have diabetes, but it's the first time that I feel in control. I use less insulin each time. That alone makes me feel better, healthier. I can even inject after a meal. That's a huge change in my life. I can be spontaneous. It's amazing how something so small can make such a big difference. It's like a cool little gadget. It's very simple to use. I open, inject, and close. And that's that. No one notices it. The feedback from the people around me is just great. In one word, I would say freedom.
It's not often that something so small, so simple, and so easy to use can bring such freedom and control to people. Insupad was designed for the millions of people who have to inject insulin with each meal. People who can't get their blood glucose level under control and so frequently suffer from hypoglycemic episodes while trying to do so. Insupad is not a drug. It's the result of a unique approach. Instead of developing a new insulin, we asked ourselves, how can we make the body better absorb existing insulin? So we developed a small, easy-to-use device that by gently warming the skin increases blood flow, resulting in faster insulin absorption. It is truly amazing. It enables better control with less insulin, less hypoglycemic episodes, and for diabetics, that is something that can really give them back their lives.